In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, prepare for, and register for a Smartsheet certification exam. To get started, open the Smartsheet certification page in your web browser. This is the main place where you can explore Smartsheet certification options and understand what's currently available. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around so you can get familiar with the layout. Certification pages often include details about different exams, eligibility information, and links to study resources, so it's helpful to begin with a quick overview before diving in. Next, review the available certification exams. As you browse the page, look for the different certification paths or exam names that are offered. Pay attention to the level or focus of each exam, since some may be designed for beginners while others may be intended for more experienced users or for specific job roles. This is an important step because choosing the right exam from the beginning can save you time and help you prepare more efficiently. After that, check the exam fee or registration cost. Most certification pages include pricing information somewhere near the exam description or registration section. Make sure you review the cost carefully so you know what to expect before signing up. If there are any notes about payment terms, retake fees, or regional pricing differences, it's a good idea to read those as well. Knowing the cost in advance helps you plan better and avoid surprises later. Once you've identified the exam you want, review what topics are included in the certification. Look for an exam overview, content outline, or list of skills being tested. This will show you exactly what knowledge areas you need to focus on. Reading through the topic list carefully can also help you judge whether you're already ready to take the exam or whether you need more preparation first. If you need to study, prepare using Smartsheet University or the available help resources. These learning materials are useful because they often align closely with the product features and concepts covered in certification exams. As you study, focus especially on the areas listed in the certification topics so your preparation stays targeted and efficient. When you feel ready, register for the certification. Follow the registration process on the certification page, confirm the exam details, and complete the sign-up steps carefully. Before submitting, double-check that you selected the correct exam. Finally, complete the exam and save your certification result. After finishing, make sure you keep a copy of your result or confirmation for your records. That way, you'll have easy access to your certification outcome whenever you need it.